Hi, if you have electric heat, you know how expensive it can be. And it's hard to find thermostats that work with it with 220 volts. Well, I found one and it is amazing. Let me show you. It's called MISA and it mounts directly in the spot where you take out the old thermostat. It has a touch surface, so you just touch it to change the temperature. It's set. It works on Wi-Fi, so another great thing about it is you can control it with your phone. Let's go have a look at the app. I downloaded the app for iOS. It's just loading here. When it loads, you'll see that it's showing the thermostats that we've got here. You can see one of them, the rec room, shows it's at 21.5 degrees. And there's a little flame symbol that's orange. That means that it's currently on. And you can see below that the actual temperature in the room and the humidity. Let's go in and have a look at that. So here, this screen has similar control to the one on the wall. If I want to adjust it, I can just tap it here. It's got a schedule though, so it'll resume to the schedule at the next scheduled point. You set up the schedule for one day and then you can copy it across to each day of the week. We have it set like that. Now you can also see the usage here. It doesn't show. It shows a little nick there at 12 p.m. It's been running a very short time. If I look at the month, you'll see that the days that it was running for a significant period of time. And if we go back to the main screen, you'll see that you can set that you're home or away or on vacation, and there's another section here where you can create zones or add different if you have different properties, and it also is compatible with Apple HomeKits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Next I'm going to be covering Z-Wave devices. I found a really cool light bulb that has all the electronics built right into it, and so you can turn it off and on from your smartphone. There's a wall outlet that works the same way. It's actually a dimmer, and so stay tuned. See you again.